All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just make me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Special Society, a smart here in the UK. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my journey on how I became TikTok affiliate marketer. I became TikTok affiliate marketer last year July. Since then, it has been so amazing. I normally get packaged every single day, like my house full of a lot of packages, sample brands reaching out to me for me to do collaboration with them and all that. All the things I have here are from different brands on TikTok shop. They send me product for me to do a review, do a video for them. That's just all. Now I'm just still doing a sample review. Soon I'm going to be charging. Very soon, no more taking just free sample again. I need to start charging because what I put so much effort, put so much work. Like right now, my kids are sleeping and it's like almost 11 o'clock and I'm awake. So you see, that's why soon I'm gonna be charging. Like if you want me to shoot a content for you, if you want me to shoot a video for you, you have to pay me. I want to do unboxing of these products with you guys, and also I need to shoot a video because I have to post them this week that is coming on TikTok shop. So I want to unbox it with you guys. TikTok affiliate marketing has really changed my life. Before, I don't really take posting seriously or posting or on social media seriously, but now since I know that there is money in it, like there is money on social media, I'm not gonna lie, just doing just the TikTok affiliate, even if it's not just the money, things that you get for free. As you can see, all these I got them for free. Things that you get for free is something. Like you don't have to pay, you don't pay for shipping fee, you just deliver the product for you, just for you to shoot a video. That's all they want from you, nothing much. You are living in overseas where they do TikTok shop, definitely you need to become a TikTok affiliate marketer. No need for you to waste time. Just start shooting. Once you have your phone, try to shoot. Our advice, you should film things that you have in your house that you know that is on TikTok shop. Market those ones first before you start reaching out to brand, and brand start reaching out to you for you to start filming and doing a TikTok shop video, guys. I'm going to be unboxing a lot of these products with you guys because I have to shoot a video and everything. So I just want to show you guys everything I got. So if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. Please make sure you subscribe before you exit this video. And for my OG, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, let's unbox it together. Let's see everything that is here and everything that I'm going to shoot a video. I think I'm going to take you guys along with shooting the video on TikTok shop, so you guys will see how I shoot my video. Let's jump in on the unboxing. So let's start with this box I got. Oh my god, this is Puma! I'm so excited! For me, an influencer is everything. You get every single thing for free. I'm super excited about this Puma shoe I got from TikTok shop. I'm super excited about it. Like, oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm not going to really open it too much because I also have to do a TikTok video on it. So I'm just going to show you guys the shoe and try to wrap it back again because I have to film a TikTok video also. Oh my god, guys. This is cute. Wow, Puma. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Can you see this? Oh my god, this is beautiful. Who doesn't like fitting? Tell me. God, this is beautiful. Puma, you got me on this. I'm not gonna lie, I just have to wrap it back because I still need to do a TikTok video for it. So here, oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I'm super excited about this especially. Oh my god. Let's see what next. Wow, this is gorgeous. Yeah, I have to do a video on this. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is a dinner dress. Babe, get ready to take me out for dinner because I definitely got to dress now. This is so cute. Tell me, where are we going to put our kids? Where are we going to put the children? Oh, this is lovely. I can't wait to shoot a video on this too. So what's this? Ow. This is thermal leggings. Also got, oh, this dress is so pretty. This is so gorgeous. This is cute. Oh my god, I never knew that the material would be this thick. This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. This. What is this? So heavy. Wow. Can you see this? This is cute. On a skirt. I hardly wear skirts. I hope this fits me because I hardly wear skirts. Let me try it and see. I hope this look good on me because I don't know. I prefer wearing trousers and putting on jeans and all that, but skirts, nah. Oh, sorry, wearing this. This is a two-piece I got also. This material is everything. Oh my god. This is so pretty. So pretty, guys. Oh my god. Wow. This is pretty. Opening all this thing, I'm already tired. Like, I have to film myself on these dresses this night. God knows when I'm going to finish this video. God help me. God, please give me strength because I'm already tired. I'm busting all these packages. I'm tired. Like, oh my god, so many clothes. When am I going to finish this? I need to be fast then. Oh, I got this for my baby girl. How do I do this video now? Okay, I have to do this when she's awake. She's also a jeans. Whoa, I didn't know that this was a jeans material. This is just a normal jeans. But if it's what I'm thinking, this is not what I wanted anyway. This was not what I wanted. This jumper is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color so much. Wow, I love this jumper. This is cute. This is cute. And you know what? More packages are still coming this week that we're about to enter, because normally what I do is I shoot all my video weekend, like on Sunday. I just keep all the package all through the week, then shoot the video on Sundays because I can't do it during the week or I have to go to work. And I'm always tired during the week. I'm always busy. Like, I'm so busy. Like, God, I thank God for the strength to keep pushing, because it's not easy. It's not easy when you don't have help with the kids and all that. It's not easy. Wow, this two-piece is also gorgeous. This is another two-piece. Yeah, I have to get something like this because we are in the UK and it's always cold. I'm always cold, so when I'm going out, I need to be warm. That's why I like picking up this two-piece that is like a jumper, a cardigan, a sweatshirt. I love this. So yeah, what the hell is this? Okay, this is like a weight loss, like a weight loss detox hub plaster. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's like a plaster for weight loss. You just put it under your feet, then leave it all through the night. Then in the morning you remove it. I'm gonna try this night and see how it's work. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm checking if my mic is on because I don't want to finish shooting video and I find out that the mic is off. I will just cry. I'm just gonna cry. Okay. Yep. I think this is everything, is it? Is it? Yeah. So I guess I'm shooting more of clothes today. More of clothes, more of changing, putting on clothes, changing, putting on clothes, changing, putting on clothes. Oof. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. I'm super excited about these Puma sneakers I got. Like, I love the color. I don't have any red sneakers before. That's why I went for this, because why not? I can wear it with anything. I can wear black and black and it will go. Do you want me to show you guys? Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. This is it, guys. This is it. Got it free. This is why I love being an influencer, because you get things for free minus the commission that you also get. Oh my God, this is good. Thank you, Jesus. If you've watched this video up to now, you know I love you guys. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my video. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye.